DS Unit 1 Basic Concept of Data Structure. Data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. ચાલો આ તો થયું અંગ્રેજીમાં, પણ હવે એને ગુજરાતીમાં સમજીએ તો એ પણ સહેલું જ છે. ડેટા સ્ટ્રક્ચર કોને કહેવાય? મીન્સ કોમ્પ્યુટરમાં જો કોઈ ડેટા હોય એને સ્ટોર કરવાનું, એ બી કયા ફોર્મમાં? ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ ફોર્મમાં. જેનાથી શું થાય કે આપણો જે ડેટા હોય અને જે બી એપ્લિકેશન આપણે યુઝ કરતા હોય તે એફિશિયન્ટલી આપણે યુઝ કરી શકીએ. ઓકે. Or data structure is representing of the logical relationship existing between individual elements of data. અને અહીં ડેટા સ્ટ્રક્ચર શું મહત્ત્વ ધરાવે છે તેના વિશે આપેલું છે. A data structure helps us to understand the relationship of one element with the other and organize it in a memory. It is a mathematical or logical model of a particular organization of data. And the second one is different kinds of data structures are suitable for different kinds of applications. It is used in almost every program or software system. And the last is the study of data structure includes logical description of data structure, implementation of data structure, quantitative analysis of data structure. Need of data structure. First is data search. Consider an inventory size of 106 items in a store, right? If our application needs to search for a particular item, it needs to traverse 106 items every time, results in slowing down the search process, right? And then processor speed. To handle very large amount of data, high speed processing is required. But as the data is growing day by day to the billions of files per entity, processor may fail to deal with that much amount of data, right? At the last, multiple requests. As thousands of users can search data simultaneously on a web server, even the fast server fails while searching the data, right? I hope you like this video.